Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you a nice jig, nice tool that I found at Lowe's. It's very good. It's called Kreg jig, pocket hole jig. So I just opened this one and I'm going to work with it to make a homework desk, which I'll we make another video to show you how I made it. So this fixture, this jig, it's very useful and it's very nice, and you can make professional work if you are a DIYer who likes working with wood. This is perfect tool to have. So first of all, I'm just gonna clamp it to a surface so that way it doesn't move when I'm drilling. It comes with that clamp in the whole system. The system comes with different tools. One of them is that clamp, and this is how you start working with this. You have to adjust depending on the bore size, thickness that you're gonna work with. You have to adjust that part here that I show. And also, this is a drill bit that it comes with. It comes with a collar. That collar, you have to fix it in place depending on the thickness of the wood. So, like for example, I'm working with half-inch board. So I'm gonna adjust that collar just so enough to drill the board, but not to drill into the jig. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go all the way in, and I'm gonna lift that drill bit a little bit, just a hair, so it doesn't drill into the plastic. So then I'm gonna tight the set screw on the collar, and I'm paying attention to the drill bit so it doesn't slide, and tight that up so it doesn't move when you're drilling. This is important because if it moves, then you probably drill into the plastic. You don't want to do that. You don't want to damage the jig. Then the next step, it's gonna be start drilling. It's easy to set up. So one thing that you have to do is adjust the clamp so you can hold that board. You can go from half-inch to 1.25 inches, I believe. It's thickness. So you go ahead and tight that knot in so the whole thing doesn't move, the whole clamp, and hold the board with the clamp. Make sure that it's tight correct, that is very tight so it doesn't move either. So attach the drill bit to your drill, and start drilling. I'm just gonna adjust a little bit the bore a little bit, so I have the holes bored in there, and they look symmetrical when I drill them. Okay, and I'm just gonna drill 2 holes. You can use any hole that you want, but in this case, I'm gonna drill the outer holes. So start with that one, and then you're just gonna drill the second hole. I decided to make a voiceover just because my kids were crying and making a lot of noises. So I just wanted to to be here. So you saw the holes, very nice. I'm just gonna show you again how the holes look like. So I'm gonna show you that part again, how I drill the other side of the board. And once you're done, just release the board and look at the holes. It's very nice, very professional, very clean, and easy to do. So your project will look like a professional did that work. So here I'm just gonna show you how to use the screws that come with the whole system, or how to use it, not how to use it. No, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to work with this. So it comes with drill the drive bit and this some screws. Depending on the size of the board, the thickness, you use the screw, and it comes in the manual. It has a chart that shows you what screw to use depending on the thickness of the board. So that was it. I just drill. I mean, I attached those legs to that side board, and it's very strong, very good joints, uh, very nice looking. Looks very clean. You don't have to, if you don't want, you don't have to clean it. But it comes with some covers that you can, you can plug the holes and it won't show anything once painted. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.